So this is what my bathroom cabinets look like without the door handles, and the countertop, this is what it looked like without the epoxy. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how I made over my bathroom on a budget. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. Now this is a picture or a video snippet of my kitchen when the guy was installing the handles, and I didn't have any snippets of the bathroom, but it's the same guy who installed those door handles for the cabinets in the bathroom as well. And this is what it looked like after he had installed the handles, and I really like the outcome. But these cabinets, which are made of concrete, were just irritating me. It was so dark. And so today I'll show you guys how we did this on a budget. It was very super affordable, and you can do it by yourself if you have the time too. I've seen so many people do this by themselves. So the guy with my contractor came with his wife, and she kind of helps him with working on projects like this. So he's actually right now just covering up the cabinets just to prevent the epoxy from staining the cabinets, and that is what you can see in this shot right here. For those of you who don't know, this video is the last day, which is the 7th day of our 7 days of content challenge here on YouTube with some amazing sisters. We decided to decorate 7 different spaces in our homes to inspire anyone out there who is struggling to decorate these spaces. It could be a makeover or it could be decor. Whatever you want to do to inspire other people, there's always someone looking for something. On this challenge, we have GLADYS, who is a minimal decor lover. We have MMIRIM, who is an amazing glam decor lover. We have Cindy, she is amazing glam modern transitioner, and of course myself, who is a modern glam girl. So guys, if you like what you've been seeing so far, today is the day to tell us your favorite space. On this day, we are going to determine who is actually going to win this money. We want to know who is going to win this money, so you should have been subscribed to all of us. You should go to each of our channels and tell us your favorite space throughout the 7 days, and of course comment done when you're subscribed. So as you guys can see, he had already painted my husband's side, and he was painting around the jacuzzi. So he was just trying to smoothen out everything and making sure that it doesn't stain other areas. His wife, on the other hand, was here painting my section. And yeah, it's just teamwork. Teamwork makes dream work. I was not here throughout the process. I was really busy working. So I would just come every now and then and take snippet videos, you know, just to have content for you guys. I'm not sure exactly what paint they used, but I think he left some around. Right now, you see he already poured the epoxy. I didn't see when he did. He poured the epoxy, and what he's doing now is he's just trying to diffuse the bubbles and prevent any bubbles on the epoxy. So he's just trying to make sure that it is smooth before he actually starts designing. Now I was going for gold and some pops of gray. I didn't want too much. I didn't want the cabinet to be so busy with design, so I just wanted something really simple, and I think he actually did way more than what I actually wanted, but it's okay. I was still fine with this. I love the outcome so far. I was like, wow, this was amazing. So right now, what you see him do is just pour the colors of my choice, and so he can diffuse them and design them properly. So it's just freestyling. It's just having a free hand, so you can actually get what your client wants. So in this case, I was his client, and I was so impressed already. He started doing it in bits, in smaller parts, and he'll call me and ask me how I liked it. And of course, you cannot do the whole bathroom at once. Like at one time, the epoxy, before you get to the other side, the epoxy is going to get dry. So you have to work in small sections. That's why you see the top part of the window was already done. So because you have to do it in parts, in sections, to make sure that the epoxy doesn't dry out on you, and then you will not be able to design and have it all diffused together, you know. I'm speaking like a professional.
you stick around? Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to.
And now you can see him just diffusing to create the design of my dreams. So I was so happy at this point. This was when I could actually capture the process. I was so excited. And you can see him still using the this little lighter thing to just prevent those bubbles, you know, because he's playing with the epoxy. He doesn't want it to bubble, to have like bubbles, you know. It has to be smooth. So he's trying to just smoothen it out. Because I was wondering, I was like, what are you doing? Are you trying to burn my cabinet or something? Are you trying to burn my countertops rather? He was like, no, we have to diffuse it to make it smooth. Yeah, I'm done. I was excited, guys. You don't know. I was super excited. I was so happy. Hey, these cabinets were just my dream come true for affordable, for very cheap.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
So it's time for the major reveal. Ta-da! Guys, tell me, how can you not fall in love with countertops like this? Like, how? The epoxy costs like $300 and the paint costs like, what, I don't know, it's $200 or $500. I don't even remember how much it was, but I know that this whole project was not more than $1,000 or more, maybe more than $900, something like that. It was amazing. I was so happy. I was super duper impressed. Imagine if I had to get granite countertops, guys. How would I have afforded it? I'm broke. I'm a broke girl, but look at what I got for broke. Broke girls do epoxy. So guys, tell me how you like it. I hope you're enjoying the 7 days. I hope you enjoy my 7th day video and you enjoy this makeover. Now I'll show you guys how it looks like decorated. Tell me what you like about this space. Yes, I know I did myself. I just over decorated it, but it's okay. I was just excited, guys. I was just super excited. But yeah, I just enhance things. I like mirrors. You can see my bathroom is a representation of that mirror life about me. Yeah, guys, so tell me, leave a comment, tell me something nice, tell me something I don't know, tell me something beautiful. Go check out my other sisters out, check their channels out, tell them something nice, tell them I sent you. Let's have fun on this day. Make sure that you follow all those instructions down in the description box, and I am excited. I'll see you guys in our next video, but it's not gonna be a challenge, guys. I'm done. I'm tired. This challenge has got me crazy. Oh god. But thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you guys. The love you guys have shown me throughout this challenge, I can't even explain, but you guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel